Hey everyone, Vincent Lim here, Advanced the Experts Real Estate Group. I have something amazing to show you, and it's totally not a listing video. I'm just kidding, it totally is. Anyways, roll the intro. Welcome to 6311 number 4 Road. I can't wait to show you this amazing townhome in Richmond, BC. And of course, I'm gonna share my top 5 reasons why I love about this property. And we're gonna start with number 5 right over here. Check out this garage. What I love about it is it's a true tandem. You can park 2 full-size cars back to back, and it's big enough to have storage on the left and right side. And number 4 reason, I love the space here. We got a great kitchen and a great dining area and living area. And the best part is there's a powder room on the main floor. And number 3 reason, there are 3 outdoor space. Number 1, in front, there's a great area to entertain and to have your summer barbecue. And number 2, there's a balcony that steps away from your master bedroom. And lastly, it's my favorite outdoor space here. Let's go check it out. It's private, you can sunbathe, read a book, hang out with your friends, or throw a mini party.
On problems, I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted.
Okay, maybe not that wild, but you guys get the point. Number 2 reason is the amazing layout upstairs. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and the ensuite with the master bedroom. And of course, if you're starting a family or you already have a family, this is perfect for you. And the number 1 reason why I love about this property is location. You're super close to shopping nearby, recreation, tons of parks, schools, transit, you name it. This townhome is waiting for you. Remember, buying a property, location is most important. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 reasons. Again, my name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Advanced the Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll be waiting for your call.